In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the split strip tool to create this broken circle design. Let's start from the beginning. First, create a stage with a square size. Next, add 3 strips using the circle's shape. Optionally, edit individual strips to adjust the number of LEDs so that all circles have about the same LED density. You can change the LED count later, once you have the real strips at hand. The next step is to split each strip into multiple segments in order to create the desired design. To do so, select one strip, click Edit and then click on the Split button. You can now select at which point you want to split the strip into 2 segments. The selected LED is visible on the stage to help you visualize the result. Repeat this splitting process to create the desired design. Press Alt+E and then Alt+S to enter the split window directly. Once you're done splitting, select the segments you want to delete, right-click in the strip list and select the Delete menu item. And we're done.